What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I have a double mic, a dual capsule condenser microphone for your smartphone or tablet. This is from Movo. It's a creators wanted. So pretty much I'm just going to unbox this and give you a look around this. I actually won this on a from a tech giveaway, so shout out to the person that I won this from. Today I Feel Like's channel, so I will drop a link in the description to where you can go subscribe to his channel and see what content he is putting out. But anyways, we're just going to unbox this real quick, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. And this is good for recording your audio on your smartphone. There's nothing else in the box. You do get a QR code if you want to scan that. But let's see what we get here. Open it up. That's nice that it comes in a shell. So you are greeted with the microphone right here. This is the mic. Is a USB-C mic. It's a dual mic, so it has two ends to it, as you can see there. You also get your dead cat. Pretty much this is what it's gonna look like, and it does also come with two of those. But if you do not want to use the dead cat, then you do just get access to using the little mic muff little thing, you know, to make it really look traditional microphone right there, you know, with the little black mic thing right there on there. As you can see, that is nice. You also get access to your headphones in here and talk through the headphones. But this is a nice thing to have, and like I said, you do get two of these because this is a dual microphone kind of setup there. You always want to try to get some kind of mic, wireless mic or whatever, a USB-C type mic when you have a device, because some of the devices, regular speakers, are not good when recording, and then if you add something like this to it, you'll get even better audio out of your video. So pretty much you'll just come here and connect this here. So you would pretty much connect it here, and you could talk into this end or the other end. So you would just pretty much go into your camera app, and it should detect that I have a microphone in there. It should detect that, and all you would need to do is just hit record on your device, and you should be able to hear sound coming out of the phone through the microphone. So I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to play it back. Yeah, you cannot hear the sound now because the sound was actually coming from the microphone. So if I unplug this and hit play, you should be able to hear sound coming out of the phone through the microphone. So then Apple also has USB Type-C now, so I could just plug this in directly to my iPhone, and I can go to there and see with the iPhone. It actually gives you a notification saying, are you connecting a pair of headphones or other device? So I can say other device. Then I can also go on my iPhone and hit record, and I can record a video, and all of the sound should be coming straight from the mic, and the video should sound even better than it does. So you would just connect this on a tripod and walk around and use this mic for your sound. So you can unplug that, and we can play back the video so you can hear it. Mic, and the video should sound even better than it does. So you would just connect this on a tripod and walk around and use this mic for your sound. And that sound that you were hearing is coming straight from that this microphone. I wish my camera I wish my Canon SL3 had a USB Type C, because this would be perfect for that too. But overall, this is a nice little gadget to have, you know, if you do a lot of recording with your smartphones, you know, and you want better audio. I can recommend you to go pick this up. You would be happy with your purchase. I will drop a link in the description to where you can go buy this for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.